actually in Asia now it's a Lunar New Year already. Yeah. So we're really late. But it's fine. It's still in the time zone. So I'm Duke and then I am a photographer. Also, I just recently, in a couple of years, I started doing film. And every year during Lunar New Year, I'm doing one short film about Vietnamese community in New York. And this is the first film I think it's a time for me to not doing short anymore, but make it a feature film. So get ready for an hour-long film. That's why make sure you have a drink. You have drink, food. Okay, you good? Shall we get start? Yes.
School and then just take care of on bills and stuff. COVID is a good restart for me. I can learn, go to school right now.
Hi, my name is Foon. I'm from
Saigon.
If you go to New York City and you don't see rap on subway, you're missing out. I like people who are parking.
I think gambling and buy is one thing that I miss the most. Yeah, so I'm excited for this year to go home and really experience the gambling aspect of it, using all of my lucky money.
Happy New Year to everyone. Chúc mừng năm mới.
Thank you everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed. I know there's a lot to improve and fix. I hope in the future, in my next work, next film, it's going to be better and better, and I hope I get all the support and love from everyone. So this is the first film I did about Vietnamese in New York. The first one, right after COVID, and there are one character right here, Như. And the second year, most of the people in the film is already in Vietnam or they cannot make it today, but we have Kelsey here. And Kelsey, and the third year, we still have missing two person. They announced that they come back to Vietnam, and then V, the blue hair girl, she's in Vietnam right now, having fun and enjoy her time. The screenwriter, he got stuck in Vietnam during the flight delay, so he couldn't make it. But we have Daniel here. Daniel? And who here? Ansel too. I hope every year I can keep doing this. And we have this event again every year. And I hope to see you again next year. Or the next event every year. Thank you everyone. There is, by the entrance, there is two tables. One with a gift, a little golden bag. And then they have the sample of the candle, which is a Phương made it. And then next table is a cookie homemade from my roommate, Trung. Thank you, buddy. And enjoy. Thank you.